You're trying to boost your online business, but is your SEO actually hurting your brand awareness? Let's fix that. SEO and online business. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business to succeed. It not only helps in increasing brand awareness but also plays a significant role in attracting potential customers. That's where SEO and online business comes in. With their expertise in search engine optimization and online marketing, they can help your business stand out in the competitive online landscape. Their proven strategies and techniques have helped numerous businesses achieve significant growth in their online presence. Just take a look at these numbers. Client says working with SEO and online business has been a game changer for our brand. Their approach to SEO and online marketing has not only increased our website traffic, but also improved our online reputation. But it's not just about increasing numbers, it's about building a strong and trustworthy brand. And that's what SEO and online business specializes in. Their team of experts takes the time to understand your business and create a tailored strategy that aligns with your goals and target audience. They leave no stone unturned to ensure your brand is represented in the best possible way online. From website optimization to social media management, SEO and online business provides a comprehensive range of services to elevate your brand and attract the right audience. Don't let your business get lost in the online noise. Let SEO and online business help you increase your brand awareness and improve your online presence today. Contact us now and take the first step towards online success. SEO and online business, your partner in digital success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and resources. Thank you for watching.